Alright, so we're back again doing crazy stuff. Check this out. I'm going to show you guys something that you may not know that you've been able to do. So it's putting aside some of the automotive work I've been doing and other stuff. Smoked some meat, and you can see I got my hickory chips right there. Almost dropped my camera into the water. You can see I got my smoker going crazy, and what I smoked up today is I smoked up some New York steaks and some beef ribs. So once I got that smoking, I had a lot of stuff left over, so I decided to show you guys something else you might not know that you could smoke. Check it out. Bacon! So what I did was I went to a local butcher that's raising pigs the right way, feeding them the right way, doing different stuff, and I got some bacon from him. He sells all kinds of stuff, of course. But I got this bacon that I love, and it's really good. Let me see if I can get out the smoke. Holy shit, that's producing some smoke. But you can see, maybe you can't. Let's see. That I got one piece that's actually pretty good, and I pulled some off, and it's smoking good. So what I did was I just used the remnants I had after I cooked my beef, because I didn't want to cross-contaminate, so I cooked the beef first. And then I'm going to show you guys what this looks like when it's all said and done. The boxers upstairs because they want to eat my bacon, and that ain't happening. So let's check this out. This is what it looks like when it's done. I like my bacon really crispy. You can see the steaks I did. Check those bad boys out. Smoked up, tasted them, they're awesome. And then check out my ribs. I threw some seasoning on when I was done. Those look good as hell too. But check out the bacon. So this is about 25 minutes or so. I threw it on there and just let it. It's perfectly crisp, like how I like it. And it's supposed to be hickory smoked. Way better. So there you go. You can also smoke bacon on your grill too. So 25 minutes I think is what I smoked them for because they're so thin. I don't want to dry them out. Threw some salt and pepper on there. And then I'll bag them up. And I like having this as a snack all week instead of grabbing some garbage. I know where this is coming from. I know the guy's raising his hogs the right way, feed them the right way. They're happy and healthy, and they're local, so I like that too. So there you go, just a little helpful hint. Smoke your own bacon up. All right, like and subscribe, boy!